I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use live text to scan any text from a document using your camera into the Notes app on iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
First up, open your Notes app and create a new note using the Compose button on the bottom right. Now I'm going to put this as test as the subject, which is the first line in any new note. We'll click return to get to the body, as we see here, of the note. Now while we have our new note up, tap on these three dots next to the done button on the top right, and then click scan. Now we're going to position our document in the middle of here. Now when we're ready and this has been scanned, we'll tap on the image, then we'll click and hold on the image where we want that text to be found. You'll see we can drag the sides of that text selection and then click copy. When we're ready, we have the text we want, click done. We'll tap back into our note, double tap again, and then click paste. And now we have our scanned text ready and available in our Notes app.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.